Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SteelSeries mouse instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your SteelSeries mouse, start by unpacking it from the box. Ensure you have the necessary components ready, including the USB receiver for wireless models. For a wired mouse, locate the USB cable attached to your device. Take the USB receiver and insert it into an available USB port on your computer. If you're using a wired mouse, plug the USB cable directly into your computer's USB port. Next, turn on your computer and allow it to recognize the connected mouse. For wireless models, power on the mouse using the switch usually located on the bottom or side. Wait for a moment as your computer detects the mouse. If the mouse is equipped with additional features, install the SteelSeries engine software for full functionality. To download the software, visit the SteelSeries website and navigate to the download section. Once the software is installed, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to customize your settings. Test the mouse by moving it around to ensure it is functioning correctly. If the cursor isn't moving, consider checking the battery level if it's a wireless mouse. Replace the batteries if necessary to ensure optimal performance. For further issues, consult the troubleshooting section in the SteelSeries support page. Your SteelSeries mouse should now be connected and ready for use. Enjoy improved accuracy and responsiveness during your gaming or work sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.